Hi, I'm John from jvzoo Review. Welcome back to my another review video. Today we will discussing about Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula review. Let's move on. In video first I need talk about bonus. If you buy from my link I will give you best bonus on this planet. Why is best on this planet? Because it's not like any kind of free stuff and PLR, it mean private label product, and it's not worthless thinking product I will give another product is already selling on another marketplace. So it means it's totally amazing and you will love it if you do decide to purchase Effortless Handyman Consulting. Link which is giving on my video description. Go and check out the product. Let's inside the video. Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula is another product by one of the most successful offline marketers that there is today. Offline marketing does not mean that you have to running around the streets offering your services, but offline marketing can be done completely from home through email. This latest product, Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula, is very interesting as when choosing to go after certain clients. If you choose one of the right niche of clients to go after, then you will get to know how to approach those people, which can take a long time to nail down. But with Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula, Luther has already cracked the way to go after the handyman niche. This is one of my favorite parts of Luther's products, is that he works out what makes the people in that niche click and goes ahead and explains his reason for targeting that niche, and even shows you example emails that you can simply change a few details such as name and name of company and send. Luther also provides a completely free webinar. Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula will also show you how to find the people in this niche so that you can start sending highly targeted and powerful emails to get yourself clients. I own an offline business, and when I am running it for some quick and easy money I still use the methods from Luther's email series that you will get with Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula. Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula includes a detailed plan of action that is done for you with a service plan for booking checks with handyman, and also includes some WordPress software. Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula is a solid product that can be used by beginners and more experienced marketers alike. Follow along with the plan in Effortless Handyman Consulting Formula and you will be seeing results very quickly. OT01 is Effortless Handyman Consulting Done For You package. This will save you a lot of time and effort. OT02 is Profit Hackers Membership PHC. This is coaching and a look inside Luther's inner circle. Now as always, if you buy through my video exclusive links you will receive some amazing, useful and relevant bonuses. Check below.